Culture. Culture is everywhere and yet an invisible aspect of today's workforce. Whether it's company culture or a country's culture, in today's society, we cannot get around it. The world has become more international. We come into contact with hundreds of cultures each month, from different lifestyles to food to relationships to business. It's everywhere. But the big question becomes, what is culture actually? The official definition: the arts and other manifestations of human intellectual achievement regarded collectively, and the customs, arts, social institutions, and achievements of a particular nation, people, or other social group. Whew, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Perhaps it's better explained this way. Culture encompasses religion, food, what we wear, how we wear it, our language, marriage, music, what we believe is right and wrong, how we sit at the table, how we greet visitors, how we behave with loved ones, and a million other things. Welcome to our workshop about culture and its impact on your business. In this workshop, we'll talk about different cultures and what its effect is on various facets of business, their personalities, and how they interact in teams. We'll talk about cultural mapping, team forming, group dynamics, and different cultures in business. Cultural characteristics can be segregated into various cultures. There's Western culture, Eastern culture, Latin culture, Middle Eastern culture, and African culture. Western culture subsists of Europe, or countries that have been heavily influenced by European immigration, such as the United States of America. Eastern culture consists of Far East Asia, countries such as China, Japan, Vietnam, and South and North Korea. Latin culture consists of many Spanish-speaking countries, such as parts of Central America, South America, and Mexico, where either Spanish or Portuguese is the natural language. Middle Eastern culture is characterized by its use of Arabic language, and of course African culture, which comes from, well, Africa. This, of course, is just a rough subset. Culture can be further divided into the culture of a country. The Netherlands, for example, is different from Italy when it comes to culture. Of course, despite being considered Western. Of course, the question then becomes, how do you know what cultures can have an effect on your business? There's a couple of other videos within this workshop that will help you figure that out, so stick around.